In the late 17th century, Sir Hans Sloane, an Irish physician and naturalist, traveled to Jamaica as the personal physician to the island's governor. While there, he encountered a traditional local beverage made from cacao mixed with water. Finding the mixture too bitter, he experimented by blending cacao with milk, creating a smoother and more palatable drink. This adaptation is often credited as the foundation of modern chocolate milk. Upon his return to England, Sloane brought his milk-infused chocolate recipe with him. Initially, it was marketed as a medicinal remedy, believed to have various health benefits. Over time, however, it gained popularity beyond its supposed medicinal properties, becoming a sought-after luxury treat among the English aristocracy. By the mid-18th century, shops began selling Sir Hans Sloane's milk chocolate, making it one of the earliest commercially marketed chocolate drinks. While Sloane popularized the combination of milk and chocolate in Europe, he was likely inspired by existing Jamaican traditions. Historical records suggest that Jamaicans had long been brewing cacao with milk and spices such as cinnamon. His contribution was refining and introducing the concept to a European audience, where it rapidly gained traction. Beyond his connection to chocolate milk, Sloane was a pioneering collector of natural specimens and cultural artifacts. His extensive collections later became the foundation of the British Museum, solidifying his legacy in both science and cultural history. Yet his association with chocolate milk remains one of his more widely recognized contributions. The introduction of chocolate milk to England played a significant role in shaping European chocolate culture. What began as an exclusive luxury gradually transitioned into a popular indulgence, paving the way for the development of various chocolate confections. Sloane's recipe later influenced major chocolatiers, including the Cadbury brothers, who used it in their products in the 19th century, further cementing chocolate milk's place in modern cuisine. Today, chocolate milk is enjoyed worldwide in countless variations, from rich and creamy hot chocolates to flavored milk drinks. Its journey from a Jamaican tradition to a European delicacy and eventually a global staple highlights the fascinating process of cultural exchange and culinary innovation. Though Sloane did not invent the concept of mixing cacao with milk, his role in refining and popularizing the beverage in Europe was pivotal. His adaptation helped transform chocolate from a bitter medicinal drink into the sweet, comforting beverage millions enjoy today. The story of chocolate milk serves as a reminder of how food and drink evolve through time and across cultures. A simple adjustment, adding milk, helped reshape the perception of chocolate and contributed to the development of the modern chocolate industry. This fusion of ideas and flavors continues to inspire new creations, proving that history's sweetest innovations often stem from curiosity and cultural exchange.